Welcome back to another Fusion 360 tutorial. If you have ever felt frustrated trying to select every single edge on a complex 3D model, you are not alone. Whether you are prepping for a fillet, a chamfer, or trying to measure specific geometry, selecting edges one by one is an absolute waste of time. Today, I am going to show you the most efficient way to select all edges in Fusion 360 using selection filters, so you can stop clicking and start designing. If this guide helps you save time in your workflow, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more professional CAD tips. Let us dive right in. First, navigate your cursor to the top right section of your toolbar. You will find the Select menu. When you click this, you will see a list of filters that control what Fusion 360 allows your cursor to interact with. By default, the software is set to Select All, meaning it detects faces, bodies, and edges simultaneously. This is why you often accidentally select a whole face when you are just trying to grab an edge. To fix this, first uncheck the Select All option at the very top. This will clear the default behavior and ensure that your mouse is no longer grabbing everything in sight. Next, move down the list and check the box for Body Edges. Once this is active, Fusion 360 enters a state where your cursor effectively becomes an edge-seeking tool. Any other geometry, like faces or internal components, will become transparent to your selection tool, allowing you to focus entirely on the wireframe skeleton of your model. With this filter enabled, go to your workspace and click and drag a selection window over your entire model. You'll notice that because we have constrained the selection to body edges only, the software ignores the faces and bodies entirely and highlights every single edge contained within that frame. This is a massive time saver for applying edge treatments across an entire complex assembly. Once you have them all selected, you can proceed with your command, such as applying a uniform fillet across all edges at once. It's that simple. I highly recommend keeping these selection filters in mind whenever you're working on high detail designs, as they drastically reduce the amount of time you spend fighting with the software. If you found this quick tip helpful for your 3D modeling projects, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy modeling.